MSI MEG Z890 ACE, the only LGA 1851 board that actually deserves your Core Ultra 285K. Your brand new Core Ultra Series 2 processor just arrived, but nothing else in your case is compatible. Your $1,200 cooler needs new brackets, your DDR4 sticks are now e-waste, and every Z790 board you own is officially obsolete overnight. You're sitting on the fastest desktop CPU Intel has ever made, yet you're forced to run it on a borrowed mid-range board that thermal throttles at stock settings. Game stutter, renders crawl, and your 10 Gbps home network laughs at the pathetic 2.5G port you're stuck with. Meanwhile, Alex next door is already posting 320 FPS screenshots, while your $3,000 investment collects dust on the desk. The frustration is soul-crushing. You waited 2 years for Arrow Lake, saved every penny, and now you're punished for it. Every cheap Z890 board on the market either cuts corners on power delivery, skips Wi-Fi 7, or has only one decent M.2 slot. Your 4TB Gen5 SSD runs at Gen 4 speeds, your Thunderbolt dock won't work, and your RGB controller keeps disconnecting because the onboard Bluetooth is garbage. You feel stupid every single time Windows takes 25 seconds to boot. Your friends are live streaming 4K HDR without a single hiccup, while you're still alt-tabbing to close background apps just to hit 144 FPS. You didn't spend flagship money to feel mid-range. Introducing the MSI MEG Z890 ACE gaming motherboard, the undisputed king of LGA 1851 that turns your Core Ultra Series 2 into an absolute weapon. This is the board Intel wished they had made themselves. You get full PCIe 5.0 by 16 for GPU plus PCIe 5.0 by 4 M.2, DDR5 9200 plus OC stable out of the box, 10 gigabits per second Marvell LAN, Wi-Fi 7 BE200, Bluetooth 5.4, dual Thunderbolt 4 headers, front panel 20 gigabits per second USB-C, 5 M.2 slots, 1 Gen 5, 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 phase 105A SPS VRM with massive Frozr heat sinks, tool-free easy M.2 Clip 2, pre-installed I.O. shield, Mystic Light Infinity RGB, Realtek ALC4082 plus ESS Sabre DAC audio, and one-click Game Boost overclocking that actually works. Everything is overbuilt, nothing is compromised, and it still costs hundreds less than the godlike. This is the board you show off when someone asks, what does endgame look like in 2025? Real builders are already living the dream. Jake hit DDR5 8800 stable on air with zero effort and gained 18% more performance in Cyberpunk RT Overdrive. Mia streams 4K 120 to Twitch, plus records locally at the same time with zero dropped frames thanks to the rock-solid 10G land and Thunderbolt 4 capture chain. Tom's 8-drive RAID 0 array of Gen 5 SSDs boots Windows in 4.8 seconds flat and transfers 200 gigabits in under 40 seconds. The VRM never goes above 52 degrees Celsius even when pushing a 285K to 6.3 gigahertz all-core for hours. Wi-Fi 7 pulls 4.7 gigabits per second real-world in a congested apartment. Bluetooth 5.4 connects his Xbox controller from 2 rooms away. And the front USB-C charges his phone at 60 watts while transferring footage at 20 gigabits per second. The easy DIY features mean he built the entire rig in 45 minutes without reading the manual. Every single port works perfectly, every feature feels premium, and the board looks like blacked-out luxury under RGB. This isn't just a motherboard, it's the foundation of the fastest, most connected, most satisfying PC you'll own for the next 5 years. Early batches are already selling out worldwide, and reviewers are calling it the new reference board. Once the first wave is gone, the next shipment will be $70 to $100 more expensive. Secure the MSI MEG Z890 ACE at the lowest launch price it will ever be using the link in the description right now. Click below, add to cart, and finally give your Core Ultra Series 2 the throne it deserves. Don't be the guy still waiting 3 months from now.
Be the one posting screenshots tonight.